We may go and we have a wife and we may date.
Yeah,
we have
man,
a wife
for real,
sometimes.
man.
You don't want to even empty for your wife energy, you know.
Over there in a dollar said we man come link up one of real Jamaican yard, you know?
Yo, Richard yard with it, you know.
Yeah man, see that man.
Boss yard with it, Dr. Hype and the
Like
Flex
we are
Richard.
light up
You see?
fire right now.
Original Dr. Hype is some Q45, you know?
Yeah man.
There in America, yeah.
One
Same place in
right
Texas, yeah. Texas, UK. Out and bad, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
You see every man have to cloak up, watch it. Whole a lick, left, right and center.
Freezer this bro.
Freezer winner.
Yeah man, for real man.
Freezer.
Don't know. Nice neighborhood said we. Yeah man, over there man, I keep it real, you know? Yeah man, real Jamaican, we never change. Never.
Yeah.
Never, ever. Cool man.
Can't change.
Man.
We there, man.
Yeah man.
We there same way, you know?
Yeah, man.
And do the right thing and keep the way from trouble.
Yeah, fully active. Positive
Fully active.
vibes with the pod, you know?
And do the right thing and
Yeah,
keep
man.
away from trouble, you know?
Cool man. See there? Campari, white rum, and Red Bull. Now we bring Jamaica.
See where me I drink here. Good old red stripe. Original Jamaican red stripe. Hype in the building.
Cool man. Even though it's cold, you know, ice.
You feel that chai as a yo.
Man, we are keep it real, said we are done now. One love, man. Real energy. Like, we're ready to light up the fire, you know. Get some heat going. Yeah, man. So, you know, so we out in the east of Texas. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All of my fans, friends, just please go to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe. Yeah, man, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, man. You know, for they so far away from Jamaica, thousands of miles away, and this kind of
Really
energy,
hard vibes,
yeah, man,
authentic vibes.
this kind of energy, yeah, man, is a plus, you know. Yeah, man, for real, man. You know what's that?
There in the United States, yeah, you know.
Yesterday,
I go and do the right thing, you know, give God thanks one day at a time, step by step, you know.
Blows.
Oh, God bless no man curse, you
Doctor
know.
Hype just call me on the phone and I say, "Oh, you there, brother? May I give you one link? Happy New Year, man."
Yo,
Man, I'm not telling dog, say.
brother? Where you there?
You know what say? A Dallas me there, brother.
Forward, Virgin. We there,
Yeah, man.
we there, all a joy, man. Hurry up
The
and
general I
forward,
say, you know what say a Dallas me there too.
Yeah.
And I say,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, man. And I say, which part of Dallas you there? And I say, you know what say a Fort Worth me there, brother. And the man said to me, say, you know what say a Fort Worth me there, me G. And I say, and the man say, alright, me I shut you my address right now. And I say, alright, me I shut you my address though. Yeah, man, and I'm from Dessa, man. You know, just like 2.5 hours. Yeah, man, I general pull up on my foot, man.
No foreign
Man, him wife, you know. And take me to Jamaica gates. Today, me there home said we dog shout me up on the phone again and say, you know, so me I come link you. Now all time him there on my foot again. Yeah, man, I see that. Bring me come link when I'm next real yardie from school days. Yeah, man, from school days, me I tell you. I see it there, real energy. So I think I get global. So enough love and respect to the world. Yeah, man, everybody who support my channel, enough respect, man, one love. You know, me just I get used to the thing. Yeah, man, I'm still in a learning process. Yeah, man, so, you know, it's getting better and I'm getting there slowly but surely. You know, so enough respect to everyone who support my YouTube channel. Yeah, man. So you
Yeah,
can
man,
just
different. Build up the
go
people
to
and send them out. Put them out there, yo.
Flex
Out there,
Exquisite Cuisine. Yeah man,
build up the
like
people
and
them and
subscribe. Yeah man.
Build up, man. Build up here and put you on the YouTube.
Yeah man, cooler man,
We
much
there.
love and respect man, said we
There in the United
Yeah,
States,
man.
big old Texas.
up and running.
We taking
Yeah,
over.
man.
Texas, I think it's